So in this video, let's understand if you're a business owner and if you're willing to start a business, coaching business, any kind of business, then how to find a right market. What are the different parameters that you have to consider when you're going to start up your business and how to choose the right market. This is very, very important. Okay. So let's understand that and let's understand how to do that. Okay. So the topic here is that how to select the niche market. I mean, how to select the right market. Okay, that's the topic of this video. Okay, so you can see if you really want to start any business and if you want to find the right audience or right market, there are four parameters. I would say there are four components that you have to consider while choosing the market, while picking the niche. Okay, so the first one is, you can see here, the first one is a massive pain. Second is the purchasing power. Third is easy to target your audience. And fourth is a growing market. Let me decode one by one, all the element one by one. Okay. So suppose you are starting any coaching business. The first thing you have to think about whether the problem that you want to solve. Suppose you want to help people in XYZ. Suppose in weight loss. Suppose you want to help people in communication skill. Any kind of thing. Okay. So first thing you have to you have to think about whether I'm solving a massive problem or not. Whether my audience, which I'm targeting, which I'm about to help them, they have a pain or not, right? If suppose if they don't have a pain, then there's a chance that they will not buy a product, and they will be very difficult to raise your price of your product. Okay, so this is the first thing you have to do: survey or just talk to your customer, just check their understand, just do one-to-one call, just understand whether, hey, really you want this solution, are you really in this pain or not. Okay, if you feel that no, they have no pain point, they are not they don't want the solution, then there's no idea to start the business, right? This is number one. I think you hope you got the idea. Massive pain is very common. And second, this is most important, my friend, is the purchasing power. Okay, why? I have seen that a lot of people, what they think, that they believe that, okay, this is my good product, if I start this product, people will start purchasing, people will start buying it, but they forget that the audience, the customer they're targeting, whether they have the purchasing power or not, right? Suppose you have some product and you are targeting people who are not in job, you are targeting people, suppose kids, okay, which have no purchasing power, which having no power to take decision to buy something. Okay, so something which is very important. Okay, so see, if you really want to grow your business and if you really want that my business should be profitable, so it's a very simple concept. What your audience should be rich people. If you are solving a problem for rich people, obviously you're going to become rich. So this is the funda. Okay, if you want to start a business, target always rich people. Okay, this is the niche market. Okay, if you're able to target rich people, if you're able to solve rich people who has a purchasing power, who has a massive pain, definitely you will not struggle to get the lead, and you will not struggle to raise your price. Okay, so purchasing power play a very important role. And how to do that? How you will find that whether my audience has a purchasing power? It's very simple. Okay, just understand their how they are spending power, how much they are spending, whether they have a decision to take own decision to buy your product or not. So there are some way you can figure out whether they have my purchasing power or not. This is very simple, right? And the third one is easy to target. Suppose you are targeting such audience and those audience are not available, it's very difficult to target, it's difficult to find them. Suppose, especially in the online, if you're starting a digital business or you're starting an online business where your audience is not present, on some platform, for example LinkedIn, they are not consuming content on LinkedIn, they are not socially active, they are not present on Facebook, they are not present on YouTube, right? So if there's something that your audience is not easy to target, okay, then it will be very difficult to find the leads, because ultimately you find you need leads, right? You need customer, right? So how to target them? whether it is possible to target on using ads. Can I run ad and we can target them? It is possible I can target on some platform, social media platform, using my content. So you have to figure out whether my audience is easy to target or not. Okay, whether my audience, for example, suppose you want to target kids, baby, right? Maybe your baby, the kids is not, they're not available, they don't have a social media account, they're not consuming content, right? So maybe instead of targeting kids, maybe you need to target their parents. So think about that. Okay, so who can be your audience, whether it's a kids or whether they're parents, because the people who are targeting, they should be available somewhere. If they are not available, then how will target, right? So this way you have to think about. This is number 3. And number 4 is the growing market. The market where you are going to enter, or the product you want to sell, whether they have a demand of this product, whether this market is growing or not, right? So that's what you want to figure out. Okay, so you have to, how to do that, you have to do survey. The best part is that to figure out whether my market is niche or not, you can do survey. Whatever customer you're thinking about, whatever product you want to solve, whatever problem you want to solve, the pain point, you can just connect, just do I think before going to start the business, you can do survey, you can do one-to-one call, some session, you can go through some internets, read some article just to understand the industry, whether you're going to choose the right industry, it's a growing market, how the people are available, what they're consuming, what they have a behavior, right? What are the interest area, where they're available, so that you can easily target and understand their purchasing power. And I would say in a nutshell, it's very simple. If you target rich people, then if you target rich people, you 80% business problem going to solve. Trust me. Okay. So this is the power of targeting the right audience. Okay. So I hope you got some idea in this video, what I'm going to talk about, that how you can target right audience, what can be the parameter, what can be the component that if you're starting a business, how to find the right niche. Okay, so this is all in this video, my friend. I hope you got some idea, got clarity about finding the niche, because this is very simple. Okay, it looks very simple, but trust me, a lot of people make mistake. I have been working with a lot of coaches. They think that, they believe that, nahi, main to theek hu. Everything is good, everything is fine, it looks everything fine from my angle. But we do the research, when we do the analysis, we find that, man, you're not targeting right audience. Your audience is not good. They are cold audience. They don't have though it looks like they have a pain, but they are not willing to pay for that. They're not willing to solve the problem, right? So that's what you have to think about. If you're struggling, right, in case of lead generation, you're struggling to raise the price, maybe you have to consider your model, your market, whether you're in the wrong market or right market. So these are the 4 parameters. You can cross check whether you are in the right market or wrong market. This is all in this video. I hope you got idea, you got some value. This is Raj. I will come back in next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, bye bye.